Our own brother and pastor, Pastor Azakiza. We don't have together, Azakiza. Get ready, something is coming, get ready.
God bless you. Hallelujah. Somebody take your seat. Is somebody blessed to be in the house of the Lord? Oh, I can't hear you. Is somebody blessed to be in the house of the Lord? I still can't hear you. Is somebody blessed to be in the house of the Lord? Ladies and gentlemen, I have a prophecy for you today. Today, the louder your amen, the bigger your breakthrough. You did not get me. I said today, the louder your amen, the bigger your breakthrough. Can I hear an amen? Today, somebody is about to change from a non-entity into a celebrity. And somebody is about to move from a question mark into an exclamation mark. I prophesied and somebody did not hear me. You are about to move into something today. If you know you are the one, shout, I am the one. It's a joy to be standing here this morning. I bring you greetings from my spiritual father, Reverend Dr. Ebenezer Mama Mape. He sends his love to you. I also bring you greetings from the lady who chops my money. For those of you that were not here on Friday, when I preach, I never mention my wife's name. I'm very holy. I only talk about God's word, and I'm done. Then I bring you greetings from my wife. She sends her love. When I was waiting in pastor's office, I had to do a little FaceTime to make sure I get a second opportunity so I can flow. So she sends her love. I also salute Elder. Elder, I love you so much. I love your wife. I love her spirit. I have met her once, but every day we can say, every day we say, how is she? Mommy, you are blessed. If my wife grows, she'll be like you. Hallelujah. I salute elders. I salute the presbytery. I salute everybody. It's an honor to be standing here, and I do not take it lightly. I do not take it for granted, but I believe that by the time we round up today, something will happen. You want me to change my name? By the time we round up today, something will happen. Kukwa, can we do my song as we go?
Never failed me yet. Never failed me yet. Jesus' love has never failed me yet. That's one thing I know. Everywhere I go, Jesus' love has never failed me yet. I said never failed me yet.
Orange Johnny.
Yes, you are. Orange Johnny. Oh, I can
He will never leave you. He will never forsake you. Jesus, all the First Chronicles 12. First Chronicles 12:8. This is for you. His love, His Lord. He has raised from the dead. Every star, every God, that Jesus Father, we thank you for today. We give you the glory for what you are about to do. We thank you in advance because we know you know the end from the beginning. You are God. You are King. You are Master. We know nobody comes to you and goes back the same. Father, bless your word. Bless your people. Change lives. Change destinies. Surprise somebody. Give someone a testimony. Give somebody a miracle. In the name of Jesus. God bless you. I was having an interview the last time and I told them that there is no one like God. Yes. These were the same songs when we were in school we used to fool with. Now these same songs, they play it now and it means something else to you. You are not here with me. Also for God, Friday I said something, I said, they made a mistake. They should have added a name of God, Jehovah, too much.
Amen.
Man of God, we lost former President Atta Mills. We lost another Vice President, Ali Mama. When you call Atta Mills, you say the late. You call Ali Mama, you say the late. But when you call Jesus, you don't say the late.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Somebody's not here with me. It means that my God is still alive. He's still king and he's sitting on the throne. You see, as I came to America, whenever I watch your TV, I see Donald Trump. I don't like him. I see Donald Trump on your TV and he says certain things that I also see Hillary on your TV and she also says certain things. But one thing hits me. These people want our votes. Yes. Oh, your vote, sorry, I'm a Ghanaian. I've been doing NDC and you do Democrats and thank you very much. But as you vote, think about your children. Anyway, let me stay with you. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I came here, all I saw that this person said this person is sick, this person did some emails, this person did that, this person did this, and we have a God that nobody voted him into power. We have a king that nobody voted him into power. He's God all by himself. Oh my goodness. Do you know in the beginning, God was not in heaven? I'm talking to somebody. Yes. Yeah, your mind is going wild. In the beginning, God was not in heaven. Heaven was in God. And God spoke heaven. And heaven began before he entered. Today, somebody will speak your heaven. Today, somebody is about to enter your heaven. If you know you are the one, say, I am the one. I'm speaking on a message I've entitled, From Leftover to Take Over.
Amen.
From leftover to take over. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very painful for you to be a human being and to be chopping soppy. When we were in school, we used to have a wonderful name for the boys that came to clean and chop soppy in our school. For those of you that don't know soppy is a Greek word. And these boys, what we ate, when we finished, that was what they would come and take. We used to call them soppy boys. In life, some of us are at certain junctions, and the only thing that comes to us is soppy. Soppy means surplus. Soppy means the leftover. But today, by the time I finish, somebody will move from leftover into takeover. You are not here with me. Somebody will move from nothing into something. Somebody will move from a nobody into a somebody. From leftover to take over. So I was telling them the last time that there was this time I went to beg my brother for a t-shirt. He gave me his wife's blouse. You know, in Ghana we used to have a saying, a beggar has no choice. Today you will no longer be a beggar. My Bible said, let's go to the Bible. My Bible says, I think Chronicles, are we not ready? Please hit it for me. Thank you so very much. From leftover to take over. I'm waiting. Okay, let me read it for money.
Oh, it's here.
It's here. Thank you. Some Gadites defected to David in a stronghold in the desert. They were brave warriors, ready for battle and able to handle the shield and the spear. It's loaded. Their faces were faces of lions, and they were as swift as gazelles in the mountains. Ladies and gentlemen, we're taught something that before you